In this video, I'm gonna show about how you can order a hosting. From the hosting menu, you can select your desired package. For now, I'm gonna select the web hosting. After coming over here, you will see a couple of plans. I'm gonna go with the basic plan for now. Here will be the three options. If you do not have any domain with you, then you can simply register from here. Or as I have a domain, so I'm going to click on this. I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. So this is my domain. I'm going to use it. For now, I'll be going with a monthly plan. Later on, I can select that which plan should I need. Now simply click on continue. If you have a coupon, then you can apply here, or if you don't, then you can just leave this field. As I have already an account, so I'm gonna sign in. Cool. Now I can simply check out with Bcash payment. Before processing, you need to select the I have read and agree or to the terms of services. Then click on checkout. It will take a couple of seconds. You need to be patient. Now you need to type your phone number. Then the verification code will be arrived from your Bcash. As I have received, I'm just putting over here. Alright, as you have seen that we got an order ID and it's a green check mark, so that my order is successfully placed. Now let's go back to my email. You will see the order confirmation email, customer invoice, and the SSL certificate, whatever it is. So in the order confirmation, you can see all these things. Here is the invoice. So that's how you can order a hosting. Let's go back to my dashboard. You will see one service is now active. You need to simply click on it. You will see my domain. Click on manage and you will see that login to cPanel. So simply I'm going to click on here to log into the cPanel account. So this is how you can order and access your cPanel. And by the way, keep in mind that domain propagation can take up to 24 to 48 hours. That's how to know that your domain got propagated or not. Just go to the dnschecker.org, make sure area code has been selected, and search your domain. As you can see, it is showing our server IP address. That means the domain is propagated. So it's that simple.